My name is Becky, aka the Mocha Foodie Gardener and Rise Garden's Ambassador. I am so excited about this video because I am growing microgreens in my Rise Garden. Microgreens are one of the easiest and fastest items to grow because they're ready to be harvested in just up to 14 days. They are extremely beneficial because they boast up to 6 times the amount of nutrients of the mature plants. You can use microgreens in a garnish or incorporate them into your dish to elevate the flavor profile a bit. You'll want to start them off in your nursery, just like your other seed pods. Be sure to peel the foil off of the top to allow the seeds to sprout. Keep in mind there will be a lot more seeds than your standard seed pod because the goal is to have a substantial amount to harvest. Once they sprout, move them into your garden. Once you see their first set of true leaves, which is called the cotyledon, and then the stems begin to come a little leggy, that means that the plant stems are stretching to get that light. This is when you know that they're just about ready to harvest. Now, I have 4 types of microgreen seeds here. Broccoli is my favorite, and I like to use it in a soup as a garnish. Try it in a simple cheddar broccoli or potato soup. Purple kohlrabi has a bit of a sweet flavor, and its beautiful color looks and tastes great on avocado toast. If you're looking to spice up your salad a bit, try red rainbow radish microgreens for a nice kick. Lemon basil is another microgreen that works great as a garnish. Add it to lemon pepper salmon and you're all set. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.